You know why? It's Dr. Disrespect's fucking ass, eh? I have no respect for that guy, see. He thinks he's the two-time. All he's the two-time is the blockbuster video game thing. Oh, you won. You're the only loser that your parents signed up for. That's it, sir. While you're doing that, sir, I was out getting laid. Something you have no idea about, because obviously you don't bang your wife, sir. You just try to bang the people on Twitch. Well, I respected you at one point, but you lost my respect, sir. What? Get some aim, Dr. Disrespect. That's how you do it, sir. I've seen you play Arc Raiders. You're fucking ass at it. I have no respect for you, sir. You made the biggest twitwad famous in the world, sir. Shroud's the worst fucking gamer in the world, sir. You made that guy fucking popular. Literally. He's a fucking wine ass. Literally a wine ass, sir.